Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the 4.3 lesson plan key is going to continue. The next problem that we're looking at asks us to graph the system, and that basically means that you have been given two inequalities. We're going to do this one at a time to start with, and then because you don't see the word and or, you assume it's an and. So whenever you see a system of inequalities, you assume that the word joining them is and in order to find the solution to a system with the word and, you find the intersection of their graphs. If I start with y is greater than or equal to -5, remember the line y equals -5 is a horizontal line. So this, where I'm moving the cursor, is the line y equals -5. Greater than or equal to tells me to shade above it and also make the line solid since the points on the line are included. So we have a solid boundary line, and right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put directional arrows shading up, indicating that I'm eventually knowing my answer is going to be above this line. X is greater than or equal to 1, we're going to start with the boundary line, which is the line x equals 1. Now, notice what I've done. I've marked the line x equals 1, which is a vertical line, and the reason that I've made that line solid is because it does say equals. That's one option. Greater than 1 means that I am going to shade to the right of this vertical line. So I put little directional arrows pointing to the right of the line. Now, in order to solve the system, since this is an and statement, we find the intersection of these two regions. So basically, picture this. Pretend that everything above this horizontal line is like a carpet, and pretend everything to the right of this vertical line is a carpet. Where would the two carpets meet? Where would they coincide? And the answer is where all the arrows point, and that would be in this upper right-hand region. So my solution set is everything I have shaded in along with this solid portion of this vertical line and the solid portion of this horizontal line. And that would be my solution set of the system. And in the final video here, we are going to look at the last two problems on the 4.3 material, but we're going to stop right now with the solution to that first video, and we'll pick these up on your next video.